Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. We have another video uh, of formation of plurals from the singulars. In earlier video, we have discussed some of the points, some of the rules in which we discussed making of or formation of plurals from the singular. So there are now further rules to be discussed. The first rule in this video is a few nouns are made plural by changing inside vowel of singular. Inside a vowel. Keep remember some of the nouns we have in singular form, and when we are going to change them in a plural form, so we have to change the inside vowel. So inside vowel to make it plural. How? Look at the example. Men to men. Here we have only changed from singular to plural by changing the letter A into E. So here this is the rule. Another example is louse. Its plural is lice, and only the inside vowels are changed. O U letters are changed into I. Likewise, we have other examples. Tooth, when it becomes plural, it is teeth. Goose, geese, mouse, mice, and foot into feet. These are. Another we have the rule is few nouns can be made plural by adding en. By adding en to the singular at the end of a noun. At the end of a noun, we add what? We add en to make it plural. How? Example is child. Child is singular, so when we make a plural of it, we use after we add en, so the plural of child becomes children. Another example, ox to oxen. Okay, so we have singular is ox, and we have added en at the end of the noun, so it becomes plural, oxen. And below we have a note, and that note is the plural of fish is fish. There is no change when making plural of fish, but in case if someone writes fishes, so it means that different kinds of fish. Keep remember, different kinds of fish. When we write or when we read or when we listen, there is a word about fishes, so it means that it is different kinds of fish. Keep remember. Next, we have some nouns have the same singular and plural forms. Okay, so we have some um, singular and plurals are alike. How? Look at the example. Series, we have a series. Now if you are going to write a series as singular, so you have to write series, and if you are writing the plural of series, so it would be the same. Species, sheep, aircraft, spacecraft, cod, salmon, trout, all are used singular and plural as well, with without changing any of the spelling, any of the letter, or any making any addition of the letters. So keep remember, these are always used as singular and as well plural. Below the following nouns when used after numerals. Keep remember, when used after numerals, their plural and singular will be same. There would be no change when the following nouns are used after numerals. After numerals mean after numbers. How? Look at the example. These are the following nouns. We have thousand, hundred, pair, dozen, gross, and score. These following nouns are used after numbers. They will not be changed either in case of plural and in case of singular. How? Now look at the sentences in the example. We have the example, the book cost me 300 rupees. 300 rupees. Here, after 3 is what? 3 is a number, and after that we used 100. We did not used it hundreds. If we use, if we write hundreds, so it becomes incorrect according to English grammars. Plural, making plural rules, hundreds is incorrect. Look at another example. He bought a pair of shoes. Sorry, he bought 4 pair of shoes. We cannot say 4 pairs of shoes. If we say pairs, so it would be considered as incorrect. So keep remember when using these following these some nouns, thousand, hundreds, dozens, scores, all are used singular and plural alike after numbers. Next is some nouns are always used in plural form. Some of the nouns we have, they are always used, they are only used in plural forms. What are those nouns? Look at these are nouns, spectacles, pincers, scissors, trousers, jeans, pajamas, annals, thanks, assets, etc. Okay, so these were the examples, and if you want to know more about these nouns, go through the book Wren and Martin and know about them. Next we have here sees we may see that there is end of the slide. So in today's video, today's discussion, we have discussed some of the nouns, some of the rules of formation of plural from singulars. So see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.